Hey guys! Step 1, Solar panel installation made easy. Which direction should be the best for installing the power system on the roof? The first thing, you need to fix the mounts that will support the solar panel system. You can choose according to your requirement, either you need a roof ground or a flush mount. Mount will provide structure and support to the power system. The direction is the topmost part to take care of this installation. Because power will produce more energy where there is more sunlight and energy are facing the sun. If solar panels are not installed according to the sunlight, then there is less energy production. Your energy cost will not be decreased because of less energy production. You have to depend on the power grid and you have to pay for it. The mounting structure should be slightly tilted around 18 to 36 degrees. To increase the conversion efficiency, many power companies use energy trackers. It also helps the solar panel system to generate the maximum energy output. A city like Brisbane, there is 283 sunny days in a year. So it's a good chance for you to produce power energy, make your environment healthy, and save a large amount of money. Step 2, Assembling solar panel and wiring connections. The next step is assembling energy power by tightening the nuts and bolts. Highly precision is needed here because panels are a very heavy and sensitive thing. If any type of damage happens to the panels, its repair cost will make a hole in your pocket. A well-installed power system will last longer and needs less maintenance. After assembling and set up the panels, wiring is an important part. Because if any wire fitting goes wrong, it will cost you big harm to your house and system. MC4 universal connectors are used in the wiring of all types of solar panel systems. The power system can be electrically connected with each other like the following series. Series connection. In this connected series, the negative wire of one module is connected to the positive plus wire of another module. This wiring helps in increasing the voltage match with the power banks. Parallel connection. In this connection of the series, negative to negative and positive plus to positive plus connections are joined. This connection of wiring helps in maintaining the same voltage in each panel. Step 3, Connection of solar panel to the solar inverter. The next step after installing and wiring are to connect the power energy with the solar inverter through wires. The wiring should be done in this series. The negative wire from the solar panel should be connected to the negative terminal of the solar inverter. And the positive wire from the solar power should be connected directly to the positive terminal of the solar inverter. Many more connections are there, like output and battery wire connection with the solar inverter. The input of the inverter is connected to the output of a series string of solar modules. During the wiring connections, be safe and make sure the inverter is turned off. Step 4, Connection of solar inverter with the solar battery. When you are installing an off-grid or hybrid solar panel system, solar batteries are mandatory for the storage of excess energy for use when the power is not producing energy or at the time of the blackout. To recharge the solar battery is connected with solar inverter and grid. The negative terminal of the inverter should be connected with the negative terminal of the energy battery, and the positive terminal of the solar inverter should be connected with the positive terminal of solar battery. Step 5, Connection of solar inverter with the grid. The next step is to connect the inverter with the power grid. For this, you have to connect a plug from the inverter to the main power switchboard. From that board, an electricity wire should be attached and supplying power to the home appliances. During the installation of the power system, a thing that should be kept in mind always: switch off the main fuse while doing wire connections. Before switch on the inverter, check all the wirings one more time. Step 6, Start the solar inverter through solar panel and power grid. Now switch on the energy inverter. After checking all the wire connections, turn on the main switch. You will see the digital display screen on the inverter, which will show you the solar unit generated through power energy in real time. The display also shows the voltage, current, amp, from the power system, and many other indications to monitor the system and assures you that the system is running fine. For better use and timely maintenance, you need to monitor and write down the data readings of inverter regularly. Regularly monitoring the power system will show you how much energy cost you are saving through the solar panel. By seeing the readings, after using the system for a long time, you will know the time of maintenance and cleaning. Please click the link in the description below.